Transform your body in just 4 weeks with these 5 simple exercises. Being fit is no easy task. It takes determination, motivation, willpower, and resilience. One of the hardest parts of living and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is taking that first step and getting started. Once you cross that hurdle, you've accomplished something that most people don't have the willpower or determination to do. And once you start, the results come. When you start seeing results, it's almost impossible to quit. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. It doesn't take much to get started. For beginners, the most important thing is firstly making sure that your diet is in check. Like they say, abs are built in the kitchen, so if you want to get fit, you have to start with your diet. Now, keep watching for 5 simple exercises that will transform your body in weeks. 1. The plank. The plank is a core exercise which strengthens your abdominal area, shoulders, and back. It is one of the most important exercises you can do because it strengthens your core and helps with posture. It also helps to reduce or prevent back pain and improves your balance. A strong core will improve your overall performance and also help with the overall daily tasks you perform every day. 2. The push-up. Push-ups are one of the oldest and most important exercises in the book. They work as a full-body exercise and build strength in your forearms, chest, shoulders, back, abs, and legs. They also engage your core and increase your strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise, which means that it targets multiple muscles at the same time. 3. The squat. The squat is another compound movement which effectively works multiple muscles in your body. It is one of the essential exercises to strengthen your core, your legs, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, hips, and your back. Squats are a staple exercise in increasing your lower body strength. They also stimulate muscle growth, strengthen your joints, and even improve your balance. Squats also engage your core and lower back while improving your posture at the same time. 4. The bird dog. Like the plank, the bird dog works your core as well as your lower back and helps to improve your overall balance. The bird dog will also strengthen your back, especially your lumbar spine. It is beneficial in strengthening your core and your stabilizer muscles. 5. The glute bridge. The glute bridge is an exercise which primarily targets your glutes, but it also targets your core as well as your hips and is a key exercise in preventing lower back pain. You don't have to use any equipment for this exercise, so you can do it anywhere you please, even in the comfort of your own living room. If you have a desk job and don't move around enough, or if you suffer from frequent lower back pain, this exercise will strengthen your lower back and also improve your hip mobility. Remember that a healthy body and great overall physique take months and even years of determination and hard work to achieve. Give yourself a head start by trying these exercises for 4 weeks and see how your strength and your body improve. Once that is done, you are ready to take the next step in your fitness journey. You should also always make sure that you receive professional medical advice from your doctor before starting out any new exercise regimen. In addition to this, you should also incorporate healthy eating into your lifestyle. A good exercise regimen and diet will help improve your overall mental and physical health. If you have any underlying health conditions or injuries, be sure to talk to a doctor to find out what exercises are the safest for you to perform. And remember, consistency is key. You won't see results right away, but if you maintain a consistent workout routine, combined with healthy eating, you will start to notice gradual changes in your physique, as well as your overall health. What are some other exercises or activities that you do to stay fit and keep healthy? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.